I discovered one of the best websites in which you can earn money online, working on your comfort zone like your home without having the need to go outside on these winter cold days. You just need your laptop and you start working because it is totally free and worldwide. So it doesn't matter in which part of the world you're living right now because you can work from everywhere. So let's start in and talk about this website and get into more details so you can start earning. You don't need any special skills or knowledge for this website to work with. So without wasting any more time, let's start talking. But before I do that, please, I would ask you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you will get the latest updates from me. Now let's move on and talk about our website, which is called Brybe.com. Just click on Google Brybe.com and you will be directed to their homepage. So Brybe.com is a digital marketing freelancer service. So here you can work as a freelancer and also as an influencer. What is amazing about this website, it is their influencers. So Brybe.com works with the best and top influencers in the world, like Messi or Ramos or Iglesias or also Rosalia. So as you can see, you will find one of the top influencers working in here and you can make deals with them and earn money. And how you can do that? Well, I'm going to show you in the following minutes. But first, I would like to show you how many people visit this website. As you can see in SimilarWeb, total visits are 122,000. So you will have a great traffic source that you will find in here and you will get a lot of money from them. Now you're probably wondering why you should use Brybe.com when you can use different websites in which you can work as a freelancer, and one of them is Fiverr.com, which is one of the famous one. Let me make a little comparison between Fiverr.com and also Brybe. What differs them? Well, first, in Brybe you will find more features than in Fiverr. So you will find more categories and more options in which you can work and earn money on this website. Also, in Fiverr, you will find more competition because, as you know, Fiverr is a very well-known website in which gets a lot of visits and a lot of people working in it. So you will find yourself in a lot of pressure because of the competition. While in Brybe.com, because it is like a new website, it doesn't really has a lot of users. So here you will not find that kind of pressure and you will find it more easily to earn money and finding traffic source and selling your products. And another thing is that Fiverr keeps a 20% of your earnings at the end of the month, like a taxation. So if you earn $1,000, then they will get $200 from you. While in Brybe, they won't get any tax or anything from you. So you will get $1,000 as much as you earn, basically. Now, let me show you how you can work here and how you can earn your money. There are three different ways. So first, you are going to work as a freelancer or as an influencer, or the third one as an affiliate. Now, let's talk about the first one. So to work as a freelancer means that you should have like a skill on graphic design, digital marketing, video editor, music and audio, or and other things. So basically, you have just to post an offer, negotiate deals with the traffic source, fulfill the order, and get paid. Of course, I'm going to show you, as I promised, earning money without having those kind of skills. Be patient because I'm going to explain to you at the end of the video. So this was the first way of earning money. The second one is becoming an influencer. But becoming an influencer means that you will need some social media followers. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok followers. For example, if you have like 50,000 followers, then you are going to get $1,000 earnings. You have to make a great introduction of yourself and prove to your buyers that you are a good influencer and you know how to make marketing and also make your best offer to them. Now, the third way in which you can earn money here is by affiliate. So you have just to go to brybeaffiliates.com, in which you can also find it in the homepage if you scroll down and click affiliates. So this is one of the easiest ways to earn money. You just join, promote Brybe, and start earning. So if you make a deal of a product costing of $5,000, and you are going to get up to 50% of that deal. So you are going to earn $2,500, just as easy as that. Now let's get into more details for each of this. So first you will need to sign up to Brybe. If you want to work as an influencer, then click on this one. If you want to work as a freelancer, then of course you have to choose the one. Accept the terms and conditions and then continue. After continuing, you will discover here the freelancers offers. As you can see, they are selling their products with great prices and they have a great traffic source to sell those service and earn great amount of money. This is what you are going to do. But of course, you will need skills on graphic design, digital marketing, and video editation or other categories. But as I promised, I'm going to tell you how you can earn money without having any of these skills. So you will have to go on writing and translation. After going here, you will see that you can work as a writer, but yet you're probably thinking that you don't have the skill of a writer. Well, you don't need any of them because you can go to this web page in which prepares for you the articles. It's called writesonic.com. So in here, you will get your article done for you in 4 easy steps. So come up with ideas, generate an intro, get an outline, and generate your draft article. And then you can publish here and get your money. So you will just need to hear the request of your traffic source, what article he desires, and then you can go on this web page and prepare the article, which basically will be prepared by others and you will just need to sell it with a great price. So this is how you earn money on this website, which I think it's a great one because you don't have to get like, which I think it's a great opportunity for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you can also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and leave a comment down below. What do you think of this website and your experience with it?